What's up guys, Derek Johnson here from Legendary. In this video I show you how to get a free LinkTree style page set up so you can link to your different social accounts or different offers. Go ahead and follow the instructions. I'll leave the link down in the description. If you have any questions, jump in the comments. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's go ahead and get it going. So you can come to the website here. You can see my phone, how it looks on mobile. I'm going to play this video on this page with this video once I'm done. So right now I just built two different versions. You can do the red and orange or blue and purple, so whichever one you want. I might add an option on the form to see other colors you guys would like. And if I do add that, I'll let you know so I can get some input. And it's possible to do other stuff with this page too, but I just want to make it pretty simple. So all I need from you guys on the form is basically this image, up to 6 links for this main section, and the bottom call to action button. So on the form, you can fill out each one of these that you want. You can link to up to 6 sites. I'll get that built for you and shoot you your page. So this is what the form is going to look like. This is where you can upload your profile image, which will go right here. Basically, you want a square image, so 500 by 500 or whatever it might be. And it'll turn into a circle once we load it on the page. Enter up to 6 links below. So for instance, this is how it looks on desktop. So this top one is a link to my Legendary Leads software funnel. The next one is a subscribe on YouTube button. So people can go right to my channel and it'll automatically try to subscribe them. The next one is my Facebook group. The next one is Instagram for Legendary Leads, which I only have 1 post and 0 followers. So y'all know what to do with that. Go follow that. And Twitter, I just created this as well. So I'm going to be building this out a little bit. And this one is a link to leave a review. So this is another feature in Legendary. You can gather reviews, send them to Google, Facebook, or any other third-party review platform you'd want to. And I did a training in the group if you want to jump in to see how this works. Basically, if I leave 4 or 5 stars, it's going to allow the option to go review on Google. And I'm going to send people to my Try Johnson Marketing Solutions so they can go leave me a review there. And I'm in incognito, so I'm not actually signed in, but it would pop up otherwise. And the following one would be a call to action of your choice. So what you want to do is once you come to this page, just click any of these sign up here buttons. It's going to take you to this form. And here's the style you want to do for your buttons. You put like Facebook, and for Facebook, open that up in a new link. Just copy that, go back to your form, hit paste. Whatever it is, That way I know what text you want on the button here and what the actual destination URL is here. Same for this bottom button. So this separate one is the call to action one that's kind of wiggling on mobile. Then you can choose your color here. So blue, purple, or red, orange. Those are the 2 styles. And then you can choose your path at the end. So it's going to be a subdomain. It's going to be web.legendaryleads.co. And you could put whatever you want on the end. So it could be, Eric 101 or whatever it might be. And then once you do that, just hit submit. I'll get that info on my end, get that set up for you, and shoot it back out to your email. You'll see this. Your page is being created once you're done. Once that's set up, you'll be good to go. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out through support. You can message through chat or just hit me on Facebook if you want to. And if you want a custom domain, you can actually get that in Legendary and build a lot cooler funnels than this one. So I'm going to be working on some other templates for you guys. Everyone who is already signed up for Legendary, you should see these LinkTree style funnels coming into your account shortly. So you can actually go and set your own custom domain up and get yours all set up as well. If you need any help, reach out through support. But other than that, just something I worked on real quick for you guys. So you can have this page. It's nice for like on Instagram because you can only have 1 link. This will allow you to split into multiple offers, multiple social networks or whatever it might be. With that being said, appreciate you guys. Feel free to go get yours claimed, claim your custom path, and I'll get that set up shortly. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Just click through this button, go to the form, and you should be good to go with that. So with that being said, I'm going to jump off here for now. If you're on YouTube and you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll catch you on the next video.